The Wicked Edge WE64 Cobalt is the new sharpening system in the 60 series by Wicked Edge. It combines the portability of a Wicked Edge Go sharpening system with the convenience of clamping thanks to the DualCam Vise, a feature typically only found on the more expensive models of Wicked Edge. It offers the fastest sharpening experience available in the Wicked Edge 60 series. Similar to the Wicked Edge Go, the Cobalt keeps it simple and effective. It includes the base sharpener, adjustable angle guide rods, and 2 combination sharpening stones. But the knife clamp on this model is the DualCam Vise, a feature usually reserved for pricier models. This means you get the convenience of a high-end Wicked Edge system at a more affordable price. The clamp is designed for speed, ease of use, and versatility in clamping different blade styles. The DualCam Vise is a game changer. Unlike the solid clamp of older Wicked Edge systems, it features 3 fingers, providing flexibility to securely grip various blade styles, including flat ground and taper blades. This makes clamping your knife tightly a very easy job. With the Wicked Edge Cobalt, you receive 2 double-sided diamond sharpening stones with 2 and 600 grit. The 200 grit side is perfect for initial sharpening of dull blades, swiftly restoring their edge. And the 600 grit is great to refine that cutting edge. You can also expand your sharpening options with other Wicked Edge sharpening stones. Clamp your knife securely in the DualCam Vise. Make sure it's centered. Then determine the sharpening angle. Both angle guide rods can be adjusted without steps, ranging from approximately 13 to 31 degrees. Unlock and slide the knob along the profile to adjust the angle. You can also use a marker to find the correct angle. Mark the edge. Take the fine side of your sharpening stone and take it over the edge once or twice. And if you still see the marker on the top of the edge, you have to lower your angle a little. And if the marker is left on the bottom of the edge, make the angle a little bit higher. When you've found the right angle, start sharpening. Alternate between sides with the coarse side of the stones. Then switch to the finer side. With the correct angle set, about 10 to 20 strokes per side should yield a wicked edge. The features on the sharpening system make the Wicked Edge Cobalt a compelling choice. It's perfect if you find other Wicked Edge systems a bit pricey, but still value the quality that they offer. Get your Wicked Edge Cobalt WE64 today at Knives and Tools.